Son, are you there? Class nursery, Hashim Abdullah.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Hashim Abdullah. I study in my poem is what you want, and play while you play. That's the way to be happy and say thank you.
Very nice, Hashim. It's a great achievement for small kids that they are coming in front of the camera and reciting the poems. Next comes KG Umeza Akil with two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Umeza Akil.
My name is Umeza Akil. I study in class 6. My school name is Menard Village High School. I recite a poem. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little legs to tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes are open wide. One little head goes side to side, side to side. Thank you, Vinay.
Thank you, you too. Have a nice day. Now, coming up to class 5th, from class 5th, Avni Kushwaha, Pussycat. Avni Kushwaha.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Avni Singh. I study in 5th class. My poem name is Pussycat, Pussycat. Cricket, cricket, where have you been? I have been to London to visit the Queen.
तो लिस्ट मांग रहे हैं जिन्होंने फीस दी बस उनका नाम
Setting the little mouse under the chair. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good. Now, next comes Ashraf from class 5th with the poem Lucky Locket. Ashraf from class 5th. Son, are you there?
Name is Mohammed. Good morning to all. My name is Mohammed Ashraf. I study in class 5. My school name is Vinay Television School. The title of my poem is Lucy Locket. Lucy Locket, lost her pocket. Kitty Fisher found it, not a penny. Was there in it? Leisha ribbon round it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good, Ashraf. Now, next is Precious Pathak from class 5th with a beautiful poem, Little Jack Horner. Precious Pathak, son, are you there?
morning, friends. My name is Precious Pathak. I study class 8. My poem is Little the Corner, so let's start my poem. Little the corner, sat in a corner, eating the Christmas pie. He put in his sock and turned up the cup and said, "What a good boy am I." Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good. Really, he's a very nice boy. In the online classes also he did very well. Now from class first, Fuzail Ansari. All things bright and beautiful.
Morning, Mr. Teacher. Myself, Ansari. I study class 1 with my high school. Is all beautiful. That is our poem. All bright and beautiful. All creatures great and small. All things successful. The Lord forgave them all. Each trumpet that open, each trumpet that sing. He made their good colors. He made their anything. The purple-headed mountains, the river running by, the sunset and the morning that brightens up the sky. The cold within the winter, the hidden summer sun, the rips in the garden, he made them everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Very nice, Fuzail. But in the starting, you were not visible. Doesn't matter. Now we are switching on to the next participant, and she's Alina Nas from class first. Alina Nas from class first with a beautiful poem, Mulberry Bush.
Hello, respected sir and all teachers. I am Alina Nas. I study in class first. My school name is William Levy High School. Today I am going to start my poem. My poem name is The Mulberry Bush. Let's start. Here we go on the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush. Early in the morning, this is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth. Early in the morning, this is the way we take a bath, take a bath. This is the way we take a bath. Early in the morning, this is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair. Early in the morning. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Taking a back here, I would like to introduce Madiha Imran from class nursery. Madiha, can you hear me? She was a child, she was left. So if she's there, we'll listen her poem. Madiha Imran.
Teddy bear, that's the ground. Teddy bear, molecule fruit. Teddy bear, come to school, come to school. Thank you.
Very good, Madiha. She is a new child in our school. Now, coming to class second again, Fariha Zulfikar off to school. Fariha Zulfikar.
Morning everyone, my name is Faria Zulfikar. I study in class 2nd in Banner Playway and High School. Today I am going to recite a beautiful poem. I love my school. Off to school, off to school. To read and write and play. To learn new things each day. Here is a school, here is a school. Pencils and scissors and glue, erasers and papers and notebook too. We love our school, we love our school. We write, we sing, we run. Lovely to have such fun. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too have a nice day. Next, from class 2nd is Akib Ansari with Ladybug. The child was not feeling well, but even though he is participating. Akib Ansari.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mohammad Akif Ansari. I study class 2nd in Manar High School. In Manar Playway High School and college. Today I am going to recite a beautiful poem. Ladybug, ladybug. Ladybug, ladybug, fly away home. Your house is on fire, and your children are gone. All except one, and for she has slept under the parent bank. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very nice, Akib. Next is Aliba Fazal, Books. The title of the poem is Books. Aliba Fazal from class 2nd.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Alika Fazal. I study in class 2nd in Banner Playway High School and College. Today I am going to recite a beautiful poem in front of you. All the title of the poem is Book. Books are a key to wisdom, treasure. Books are gates to land of treasure. Books are path that upward lead. Books are friends. Come, let us read. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Next, from class 3rd, Mohammad Nabil, the poem named Creativity.
Good
From
morning,
class
everyone.
3rd, Mohammad Nabil.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mohammad Nabil of class 3rd, and my school name is Bina Playway High School. I am reciting the poem Creativity in front of you all. I like to make up recipes. I do it every day. I would rather cook creatively than watch TV or play. Mom lets me use the kitchen if I clean up. When I enter, she did not like it. When I spilled the strawberry cream stew, from pickle pudding, applesauce to pizza with double cheese, I find the special combo that is guaranteed to please. Thank you.
Very good, Nabil. Thank you. Next is Kashifa Ali with poem Excuses. Kashifa Ali from class 3rd.
Good morning,
The poem is Excuses.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kashwani. I study in class 3rd. My school name is Binhar Playway High School and College. My poem name is Excuses. I started on my notebook, but my pen ran out of ink. My hands kept at my notebook. My computer stopped the blink. I accidentally dropped it in the soup my mom was cooking. My brother flat it down the toilet when I was not looking. My mother ran my homework through the washer and the dryer, and airplane ran into our house. My homework caught fire. Thank you.
Very good, Kashifa. Next participant from class 3rd is Amrish Kumar. From class 3rd, Amrish Kumar. Welcome back to school.
Morning, everyone. My name is Amrish Kumar. Hey, I am from class 10, and my school name is Panapur High School. Today, tell the poem for their school. My poetry name is Welcome Back to School. Dear students, the summer has ended. The school year has begun. But this year is totally different. I promise well on this one. We want to study any mathematics, and this is the last all day long. Listen to the again. Well in the park and also well play in the classroom. Well blessed. Welcome. Bring your first. It's okay. In the run always. It's great if you play lots of night. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Amrish. Yadhyabubli too. He was trying to be very clear, but because of that, he was not. Doesn't matter. From class 4th, Aisha Haseen. Next participant is from class 4th, Aisha Haseen. Her poem name is With a Friend.
Good
Aisha
morning,
Haseen from class 4th.
members, teachers, and all my friends. Myself, Aisha Haseen of class 4 at Banner Playwear High School. Today, I am going to recite a very beautiful poem. The title of my poem is With a Friend, which is written by a famous poet named is Vivian Gold. Here is a poem. I can talk with a friend and walk with a friend and share my umbrella in the rain. I can play with a friend and stay with a friend and learn with a friend and spend. I can eat with a friend and compete with a friend and even sometimes disagree. I can ride with a friend and take pride with a friend. A friend can mean so much to me. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Beta. Yes, indeed, friends are the happiest and the beautiful part of our life. Next, from class 4th, Mohammad Toha Afzal. From class 4th, next participant is Mohammad Toha Afzal with a beautiful poem, How Beautiful is the Rain.
Good morning, everyone. Respected founders, sirs, my teacher, my dear friends, and dear parents.
Mohammad Toha Afzal. Son, can you hear me?
A very good morning, all of you, respected founders, sirs, my teachers, my dear friends, and dear parents. Myself, Mohammad Toha Afzal, from class 4th, Benhar Playland High School. The title of my poem is Rain in Summer, which is written by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. He was born on February 27, 1804. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street. In the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane it pours and swift and wide with a muddy tide like the river down the gutter roars the rain, the welcome rain. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Tulha. Yes, we also want rain because it's too hot. Now next, with this positive hope, we are switching on to from Tuba Ansari from class 4th. Next participant from class 4th is Tuba Ansari.
A very good morning, all of you respected founder sir, my teachers, my dear friends, and dear parents. Myself, Suban Sari of class 4, going to recite a beautiful poem in front of you all. The title of my poem is When Flowers Wake Each Morning, which is written by Ken Nesbitt. Let's start my poem. When flowers wake each morning, they do not have to make their bed, and latest leaves aren't told to comb the hair upon their head. You should never tell asparagus it shouldn't play with its pear. You should never ask a stalk of corn the voice behind its ear. A mushroom doesn't have to clean its room, and you will agree. A tree won't have to study hard to learn geometry. I guess it should be obvious from listening to my rant. I am tired of being a person. I would rather be a plant. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good, Tuba. Now, coming to class 5th. From class 5th, first participant is Shams Raza, To the Ferry. From class 5th, first participant, Shams Raza.
Good morning, respected sir, teachers, and all parents. Now introduce myself. My name is Shamsaza. I study in class 5th. Today I am reciting a poem. The title of my poem is To the Ferry. It is a very lovely poem. This poem is written by V.J. Lee. Now I start my poem. Down we go to Shawshank Ferry, just beyond Van Doren's dairy. The man says it will be a while. So into the dairy we all pile and have ourselves an ice cream cone. That when we hear the ferry is gone, we ran outside down to the slip. The ferry is gone, we've missed our trip. Our mouths turned down, it's been our dream. When we go have some more ice cream. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Shams. Very sorry that there is a little bit of distortion of videos. We are sorry for that. Next is Zafra Batul from class 5th. The beautiful poem, The Ice Cream Man. Zafra, and are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Zafra, can you hear me?
Ma'am. Ma'am, sorry.
Start.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. My name is Afra Batul. I am from class 5th. Today, I am going to recite a poem, The Ice Cream Man, composed by Rachel Field. When summer's in the city and breaks a blaze of heat, the ice cream man with his little cart goes trundling down the street. Beneath his round umbrella, oh, what a joyful sight to see him fill the cones with mounds of cooling brown and white. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, or chili things to drink from bottles full of frosted green, orange, white, or pink. His cart might be a flower bed of roses and peas, the way they cluster round as thick as honey bees. Thank you.
Thank you, Zafra, but son, your voice was not clear because of the disturbance, distortion from your side. Doesn't matter. Now we are switching on to Beenish Abrar from class 5th. Beenish Abrar from class 5th, the beautiful poem, I Went to the Doctor. Beenish Abrar from class.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dinesh Abrar. I study in class 5th. My school name is Bennett Preve High School and College. Today I am going to recite a poem. The title of my poem is I Went to the Doctor, written by Ken Nesbitt. I went to the doctor. He x-rayed my head. He said,
for a moment and heard what he said. It looked like you got banana in there, and apple and orange, a peach and a pear. I also see something that looked like a shoe, a plate of spaghetti, some fake doggy do, an airplane, an arrow, a bottle, a chair, a salmon, a camera, some wool and a bear, a penny, a pickle, a pencil, a pen, a hairy canary, a hammer, a hen, a whistle, a thistle, a missile, a duck, an icicle, bicycle, tricycle, truck. With all of the junk that you have in your head, it's kind of amazing you got out of bed. The good news at least is you shouldn't feel pain. From what I can see here, you don't have a brain. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yes, very nice. You don't have a brain. Very nice. Now next, from class 6, Farhan Ansari, Incredible India. From class 6, Farhan Ansari, the beautiful poem, Incredible India.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Farhan Ansari of class 6. Today, I am going to and the geniuses that live here. Incredible India. From mountains, plains, coast, and deserts, varied flora and fauna found here that provide it a rich, flourishing biodiversity. India had many civilizations as Harappans, the Aryans, the Mauryans. India's economy is ever booming and currently the third largest growing. India has amity with all the nations, be it America, China, Africa, or Bhutan. India has given birth to geniuses such as Ambedkar, Nehru, Kalam, Gandhi, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, all inhabit Indian land without any fear. India is really incredible through its heart and soul. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good, Farhan. Now, after Farhan, Arisha Kadir from class 6 is going. The name of his poem is The School. Arisha Kadir, class 6.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Arisha Kadir. Today, I'm here to recite a poem, The Schoolboy. And the title of this poem is William Blake. I am the Schoolboy by William Blake. It is the most active of a young boy who hates going to school in a disciplined way and then decide to be like God. For him, the school is just like prison, which does not allow the creativity of a person to flourish. I love to rise in the summer morning. The birds on the distant man is on, and the skylark sings with me. Oh, what's it company?
Wi-Fi slow हो गया
Arisha Kadir, beta, your poem was not audible properly. We'll take a chance. Let's finish our program, then we'll listen once again, okay? Next is Alfisha Asif from class 6, Where the Wind is Without Fear. Alfisha Asif from class.
Good morning, everyone. I am Alfisha Asif of class 6. Today I am going to recite a poem, Where the Mind is Without Fear, written by Rabindranath Tagore. In this poem, poet wants his countrymen to awake and enjoy the life of full dignity and honor. Let's start my poem. Where the
Excuse me,
mind is
Arisha.
without fear.
Arisha, excuse me, beta. Please open your camera. Yeah, that's right.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the word has not been broken up into fragments by a narrow domestic wall, where the words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arm toward perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dairy desert set of that habit, into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Thank you.
Good, Alkisha. Due to some distortion, you are not very clear to us. Even though now we are switching on to class 7, and from class 7, Fiza Khan is supposed to come and hold the floor for Paradise in a Symbol. From class 7, Fiza Khan, Paradise in a Symbol. Fiza, can you hear me?
Good
Fiza
morning,
Khan.
good afternoon. Good afternoon, requested founder, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Fiza Khan of class 7 going to recite a poem in front of you all. The name of my poem is Paradise in a Symbol, written by Christina Rosty. The poet actual means here that the birds are beautiful creatures on the earth, each and everything, the way they do it. Paradise in a symbol, golden wing, silver wing, wing with flashing flame. Such a flight of world I saw, birds without a name, singing song in their own tongue, song of songs they came. One to another calling, each answering each. One to another calling in their proper speech. High above my head they wheeled, far out of reach. On wings of flame they went and came, with the clad and clangs. Their silver wings tinkled, their golden wings rang. The wind is vessel through their wings, where in heaven they sang. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello, Fiza. Fiza, can you hear me? Son, you are not audible. Once again, let us start. Once again. Start.
Good morning, good afternoon, requested founder, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Fiza Khan of class 7 going to recite a poem in front of you all. The name of my poem is Paradise in a Symbol, written by Christina Rosty. The poet actual means here that the birds are beautiful creatures on the earth, each and everything, the way they do it. Paradise in a symbol, golden wing, silver wing, wing with flashing flame. Such a flight of world I saw, birds without a name, singing song in their own tongue, song of songs they came, one to another calling, each answering each. One to another calling in their proper speech. High above my head they wheeled, far out of reach. On wings of flame they went and came, with the clad in clangs. Their silver wings tinkled, their golden wings rang. The wind is vessel through their wings, where in heaven they sang. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay, doesn't matter, beta. Your voice was breaking at last, but this is because of the internet problem, because of the distortion. Doesn't matter. Now we are switching to Mubashir Rais from class 7. Mubashir Rais from class 7 with his beautiful poem, Last Lesson of the Afternoon. Mubashir Rais from class 7.
Good morning, good afternoon, respected founders, or teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Mubashir Reis of class 7 going to recite a poem in front of you all. The name of my poem is Last Lesson of the Afternoon, written by D.S. Lawrence. In this poem, a poet reflects the viewpoint of a teacher who feels that his hard attempt at teaching a class of 60 students is an exercise in futility. Last lesson of the afternoon. When will the bell rings and in this weariness, how long have they tugged the leash and strained apart? My pack of unruly hounds, I cannot start them again on a query of knowledge they hate to hunt. I can howl them and push them no more, no longer. Now can I endure the brunt of the books that lie out on the decks, full 3 scores of several insults of blotted pages and scrawls of slovenly work that they have offered me. I am sick, and what on earth is the good of it all? What good to them or me, I cannot see. Thank you.
Very good.
I feel like there is some internet issue.
Diva ma'am, you are having internet issues. The children are clear. Call the next guy.
Okay, sir. Next participant from class 8 is Ananya Kushwaha, grandfather. Next participant from class 8 is Ananya Kushwaha.
Good afternoon, respected founders, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Ananya Kushwaha. I study in class 8. Today I will recite a beautiful poem in front of you all. The name of my poem is Grandfather, which is written by Oliver Shelley. In this poem, the poet is comparing the age of the child, the age of the senior grandfather. Our grandfather by the sea, flying his deck chair, settles are rubbed on the stones, and his face takes sunlight like thrust. We always play games that need speaking. Each of our cards and moves are told, and his beautiful face, leave a mark and shy, has no end in its gentleness, no end in its space, to hold the whole life of listening left to do. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Next.
Thank you, Ananya. Now, next and last participant from class 8 is Arbia Ansari. From class 8, Arbia Ansari.
Good afternoon, respected founders, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Arbian Sari of class 8, going to recite a poem, Punishment in Kindergarten, in front of you all. It is an autobiographical poem by a famous Indo-Aryan poet, Kamla Das. She recalls one of her childhood experiences when she was in kindergarten. Punishment in kindergarten. Today, the world is a little more my own. No need to remember the pain. A blue-frocked woman was throwing words at me like a pots and pans to drain. That honey-colored day of peace. Why don't you join the others? What a peculiar child you are. On the lawn, in Curstel, sat my schoolmate sipping sugarcane. They turned and laughed. Children are funny things. They laugh in midst at others' tears. I buried my face in the sun, warmed, hushed, and smelled the paints and the flowers. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yes, Diva ma'am. Diba ma'am, am I audible?
Sir, I am audible. Am I?
Yes, yes. Call the next participant. Who is the next participant? Your bandwidth is low.
Sir, I think Meena ma'am should call out the next participant because Diba ma'am is having very low network on her side. So if any other teacher
Any
can
other
take up the
teacher?
charge.
Farah ma'am, Meena ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Farah ma'am, you continue. Diba is having
Yes,
network.
sir. Sir, all the participants are over. Now only one child was left. That was Arisha Kadir of class 6.
Hmm.
So I call now Arisha Kadir of class 6.
She was left
Arisha
out.
Kadir.
Is
Yes,
she
sir.
there?
Pardon.
Aunty,
Yes,
ma'am,
sir.
am I audible now?
Arisha Kadir, are you there, beta? Arisha Kadir? Yes, ma'am. Arisha is there. Yes. Arisha
Good
Kadir,
morning,
please unmute yourself. Yes, beta. Continue, beta. Yes.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Arisha Kadir of class 6. Today, I'm here to recite a poem, The Schoolboy, and the writer of this poem is William Blake. The poem The Schoolboy by William Blake is written from a perspective of a young boy who hates going to school in a disciplined way and rather decide to be like bird. For him, the school is just like pigeon, which does not allow the person to flourish. I love to rise in a summer morn when the bird sings on every tree. The distant huntsman winds his horn, and the skylark sings with me. Oh, what sweet company! But to go to school in a summer morn, oh, it drives all joy away. Under a cruel light moon, the little ones spend the day in sign and dismay. Ah, then at times I drooping sit and spend many anxious hours. Nor in my book can I take delight, nor sitting learning power. One throw with a daily shower. How can a bird that is born for joy sit in cage and sing? How can a child when fears are not, but droop his tender wing and forget his youthful spring? O father and mother, if birds are nipped and blossoms blown away, and if the tender plant are stripped of their joy in the springing day by sorrows and care dismay. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Farah ma'am, anyone left?
No, sir. No one is left now. All participants are over.
Okay.
So, sir, we wanted to have a few words from your side for today's this competition on this.
Except the network issues, everything was very good. I could see the confidence of the participants. They were well prepared and they were not hesitating in front of the camera. This is a lot of learning. I can say that the teachers have worked very hard and their efforts were very clear in this elocution today on the Zoom platform. God bless you all. Keep working. One day we will be meeting in the school campuses. God bless you all. I would like to thank the technical team also who played their role very efficiently and made this elocution a grand success. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all the participants and the parents for giving their precious time.
Wow, Diba has come back. This is all network issue.